Welcome again, guys. Welcome to Linux Penny channel. Hit the like button if you have not done so. If you are not subscribed, please ensure that you subscribe now. This is for all grade 6 across the Caribbean, across the world. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. And the first one says write in figures 1,002,003. All right, so 1 million, that's 7 digits. So and this would be 2. Kind of have to feed it first. So this will be 1,002,003. All right. So let's move on to number 2. It says express the shaded part as a common fraction of the whole shape. So let us count how many parts are there that is shaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 over the total. Let's see how many are there in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15. So it's 7 out of 15. Cannot be reduced, so we'll leave it as it is. All right, complete the table, and it's a common fraction. So this one is complete. 3/5 is 60%. So we're gonna write 15% as a common fraction. Now, percent mean out of 100. So I will put it over 100 and reduce it. 5 can go into both of them. So 5 into 15, that's 3 times. 5 into 100, that's 20. So as a common fraction, it would be 3 over 20. That cannot be reduced. All right, let's move on to number 3. Hit the like button, guys, if you're just joining. This is another paper for grade 6 PEP, CSEC, SEA. Everybody just meds it. All right, it says what number n should go in the circle to make the operation correct. All right, so n at the top. So it says subtract 8, divide by 4. So n is such a number. When you subtract 8, then divide by 4, the result is equal to 8. Somehow this just kind of tricky. All right, so let's go. So it says n is such a number. When you subtract 8 from it and divide by 4, you get. All right, so basically I'm thinking only number when you subtract, when you divide by 4, you get is 32. So I'm thinking this would be 38. I don't want to take the long way. Not 38, 40 rather. So it would be 40 minus 8. That gives us 32. And then we divide by 4 by 16 and 16, 32. Yeah, so that should be 40. Or so I have to do some fancy way to be like this. Alright, so we transpose, so we multiply by 4, so that's n minus 8 equal 4 times 8. So n minus 8 is equal to 32. So now we take the inverse of minus 8, which is plus 8. And that gives us the 40, just the same. But guys, you can use trial and error. I know you guys are young and sometimes the formula. That's why I did it that way first. Alright, so it's actually 40. Alright, let's move on to 5. It says write the box number to make that correctly complete the sentence Again, this is equivalent fraction. I think on the last paper, we did do an equivalent fraction. So 2 multiplied by what? Give you 12, and that is 4. So we do the same right here. So this multiplied by 4, and that is 8. So 2 over 3 is the same as 8 over 12, and that is equivalent fractions. Parents, students, come in my class. Let's go. I want to help you guys, all right? At the market, a mother bought some fruits, 3 oranges, 4 pears, and 5 mangoes. What fraction of the fruits was pears? So again, it says 4 pears, so we have to look at that very carefully. 3 oranges, 5. So we need the total, right? So it should be 3 plus 4 for the total. So it's 3 plus 4. Should I big it up, guys? Put that in the comment section. So the total number of fruits is 12. Now ask for pear, so it is 4 out of the 12 as a fraction. We reduce that, and that would be 1 over 3. 4 into itself 1, 4 into 12 3 times, so it's 1/3. So our answer for pears would be 1/3. And Nicholas touch me that mean money, guys. Money. Are you guys gonna drop in my class so I get some money? Argentina is gonna play in 11 minutes. Alright, so Ken eats 4 plums each day. How many plums would he eat in 2 weeks? Alright, so he eats 4 plums per day. Now 2 weeks is basically 14 days, right? 7 days per week. So 4 times 14. I don't like them questions here now. Some students to interpret. Alright, yeah, that's fine. 4 ones 4, and that's fine. So he eats 56 plums. Okay. Alright, let's move on to number 8. Guys, remember you have to try the questions while the video is going on. Don't wait on the answer. Try them, alright? Let's see if you can complete them before me. I'm doing them very timely. No rush. Alright, let's move on to number 8. It says at school, bazaar. I don't know you guys pronounce the name, but I'm gonna say bazaar. Every sentence at school. Oh, the school name bazaar. So why they didn't put big B? I would pick it up same time. At school bazaar, every 7th student who entered the first hour was admitted free. All right. If 146 entered in the first hour, how many students were entered free? Now they say the 7th student. All right, I'm gonna go over here. So the 7th student, every 7th student, bam, it's a 1 person free. Bam, another person free. Bam, another person free. Bam, 4 person free. Bam. Each time we just add in 7, right? So the 6th person not gonna get it, but the 7th. All right, and then we add to a 46. Oh yeah, one more is gonna get it 3, so that's 6 persons. All right, and the next person that come at position 49, they will get. Remember the first 6 free, first 6 pay, then the 7th that's 1 pay, so that's 6. Our answer would be 6. All right, let's move on to number 9. It says, which of these 2 sacks has the smaller mass? Right? This is 1.7 kilogram and this is 1,690 grams. 2 different units. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert this to grams. I think that's easier because it takes 1,000 grams to make a kilogram, so we just multiply by 1,000, right? And that will give you 1,700 grams. So that means this one is the smaller one, the flour. All right, if you were to convert this to kilogram, because I know some students might do that, I just want you guys to know the right process. We would divide by 1,000. So the decimal point is here, so we say 1, 2, 3. So that would be 1.69. So 1.7 is greater, right? So the flour would be the lighter one. So eat some Johnny cake right now. And so a dumpling, we call it fried dumpling. All right, let's move on to number 10. Guys, remember you are encouraged to hit the like button. Try these questions before I do the solution. I do them in a timely manner. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Argentina lining up, guys. Let's go. Hit the like button. I think Argentina gonna drop out. A ball is bought for $35 and is sold for $48. Calculate the profit he made in dollars. So you bought it for 35 and you sold it for 48. So this is very straightforward. So 48 subtract, right? 5 from that leave 7. No, 5 from that leave 3. What am I saying? 5 from 8 is 3, and that's so you make a profit of $13. Remember, the profit is what you make. Profit is what you make. Let's move on to number 11. A garden has the shape shown below with all its sides equal in length. The perimeter is 72 meters. What is the length of one of the sides? So first we need to establish a garden. This is actually one side, guys. Alright, this little thing here is just indicating that these sides are equal. So this would be one side. Alright, let's get that out of the way. So let's say how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so there are 6 sides. So let us call it x. 6x is equal to 72. And then we divide by 6. So one side would be 12. The length of one of the side would be 12. So we need to divide by that. That is equal to 12. What's the unit? They didn't give us, oh, meters. So one side would be 12 meters. Some persons might go ahead and say it's 12 sides. But remember, this only indicates that this side is equal to that side and that side. Right? So be careful in the exam. So that's 12 meters. Put it right where they say. Alright, let's move on. Hit the like button, guys. Hope you guys enjoying the workup wherever you are. Put in the work also. Alright. Sally began reading a book at 8:17 p.m. She took a break after reading for 1.5 hours. At what time did she take a break? So she started at 8:17 and 1 hour and 30 minutes later she stopped reading it. So let's go. So that's a 7. So at 9:47 p.m. that's when she took the break. Pretty straightforward, eh? Yes, indeed. Hit the like button, guys. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. So check out the other videos, them, alright? Alright, let's move on to number 13. It says a rectangular garden bed is 5 meters long and has an area of 18 square meters. So this is the area is basically 18 meters square or square meters, right? What is the width of the garden? So we need to find the width. What do we know about the area of a rectangular? A rectangular is length times the width. So if we get the area already to be 18 meters square and the length is 5, we multiply by W now. So all we have to do, take the inverse, which is the opposite, so we divide by 5. So all we have to do say 5 into 18, that goes what 3 times and 3/5. So we can convert 3/5 as a decimal if you want, and 3/5 as a decimal. We just simply divide 5 by 3 by 5. So that gives us 5 into 3, that's 0 times. Put our decimal point, 5 into 36. So that's 3.6 meters. I just want to put it as decimal, just in case my students are more comfortable with decimal at times. Alright? So let's move on to number 14. It says a rectangular box is 18 centimeter wide, 24 centimeter long, and 6 centimeter deep. How many cubes with the edge of 6 centimeter will completely fill the box? Again, I love this question. Whoever from Trinidad set this question, you are awesome. I must say that. I love them. I love them. All right, let's go. Let's go. So guys, we need to find the total space that this takes up. All right, so let's go. So for volume, it's the length times the width. Basically, just multiply in the 3 dimension. Let's go. You guys finish multiply that. Remember, no calculators are allowed. So we have E equal 24. I think I'm going to show all the steps for the volume of this one specifically. 18 times 6. I'm going to multiply 18 times 6 first. No, 24 times 18. That much easier. And then I'll just finish it. Alright, so 8 4 is 32. 8 2 16. And that 19. So that's 192. Remember, put numbers on the numbers. 144. 122. This is a lot of work. I think it's worth about 3 marks. I'm going to see. So for this, it takes up 432 centimeter cubic. All right, very important. Let's see how much this take up now. So the cube, all sides are equal. So it's 6 times 6 times 6. All right, 6 6 36. So it's 36 times 6. I think it's 216. Just gonna show you working. 6 6 36. 6 3 is 18 and that 21. All right. Oh my. So it's 2 of them. Oh Lord. So you have 432. This is such a nice question though. Guys, I don't have the time to go through the questions before and look at them. And this would go 2 times, right? We double 2 and we double 4. So that's 2 times. So it will take 2 of the cubes to fill up that. But very nice question, Trinidad. I appreciate you. Hit the like button for Trinidad and Tobago. You guys are doing wonderful. Alright? I hope more Jamaicans set questions like these. They are not too hard, but they have to be smart. Alright. Guys, follow my channel. Follow my channel. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Alright. Alright, so Jessica bought a blouse for $80 and sold it for $60. Calculate the percentage loss on the sale. Alright. Now I'm to Jessica, you know. Or you buy it for 80 and sell it for 60. So let's just check the number of cash where she lose. So it's 80 minus 60. So basically she lose $20. Right? So her loss is $20. And they say calculate the percentage loss on the sale. So it will be 20 over 80. Let's see how much percent she lose by. Look like 25%, ain't it? No, maybe so. No, that good. 1 4. 4 into 100 goes 25 times. So yeah, she take a 25% loss. That's not good business, Jessica, alright? Then go into business to make a profit. Alright, let's look at the picture of a solid chode below. Let's go. What is the name of the solid? Okay, so we're supposed to name the solid. So it has a circular base. Circular base, that means it is a cylinder. So this one is a cylinder, right? It says a net of solid is shown below. What is the name of the solid form? Do when this net is folded, and that is, oh, forget the spelling, right? That is a tetrahedron. So it's tetra. Very nice question, this. So I appreciate this, guys. Again, big up, guys. Big up, big up. Mr. Benit, appreciate you all. Alright. So let's move on to the next one. And this was in 2010. It says the diagram below is a rectangle. The point B, point B, remember them as we go along. Point B, F, and H, oh, and D also are midpoints of the sides. Okay, okay, all right, cool. Let's see what else. Name one line of symmetry of the rectangle. Okay, so anyone, I'm gonna go with, oh, remember about this because I want it to be shown. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm here. Let's go. Alright, so number 19 says, incomplete bar graph shows the number of marbles owed by 3 or 4 boys in a club. Alright, so that's what they owe. Alright. It says together, 4 boys owned 30 marbles. Oh, own. I thought it was owed. Owned. As in they have it. Alright, owned. Together, the 4 boys owned 30 marbles. How many marbles did Tim own? Let's go. Alright, so first we need the total for all the 3, and then we can take the difference, right? See how many more we need to make 30. Alright, let's go. So this boy, Sam, owns 6 marbles. We don't know how many Sids. Sid own 11 because it's between 10 and that, yeah, and this, and Roy owns 8 marbles. So between them, 11 plus 8, that's 19 plus 6. So between them, they owned 5 marbles. 25 marbles. What am I saying? And then now, total is supposed to be 30. So how many more we need to make 30? We just subtract. Why this a move? It's not right in the two at all. So we have 5 leave. So bam, let's complete it. It should be in the middle. Should be equal distance from each other. So bam, let's go. About there. Distance about there too. It's not 100% perfect, but 5, right? And just follow the little pattern of them doing, and I hit that. So he owns 5 marbles. Alright, let's move on to number 20. It says a bowler obtained the following numbers of wickets in 9 matches. What is the modal number of wickets? So it's the number that occurs the most. So you have 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. So that's 2, 1. You have 4 and 4 and 4. Alright, so that will be 4 since we have 3 4s. That occurs the most. Well done, Mr. Bowler. Alright, let's move on to 21. It says each question is worth either 2 or 3 marks. Answer all questions show all working in the working column. Again, I will show the working. Alright, so there are 60 donuts in a glass case. 18 of them are chocolate coated. Wow. My. Pick up yourself, you're down to Vigo. So there are 60 donuts in a glass case. 18 of them are chocolate coated. What percentage of donuts is not? Notice it says is not. So if 60, let's focus on the not right here, minus a 18, and that's what is quoted. So this, the difference is going to give us what is not quoted. All right, so that's 2. So we have 42 not quoted, right? So, and they ask for the percentage. So to work out that, it would be 42 over the 60 multiplied by 100%. Remember, percent mean out of 100 and the previous paper, I'd explained that, right? So bam, bam. 6 into itself 1, 6 into 42 is 7. So 7 times 10 is 70%, right? Why? Why is it like 76? So no, 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 70%. Alright, so again, that's worth 2 marks. Please ensure that you collect all the marks. Alright, 22, it says now, if 75% of a class of 32 boys are present, how many students are absent from the class? So 75% present, let us see if we can. So basically 75% is the same as 3/4. Guys, it's very beneficial to know these things. 75% is the same as 3/4. It could save you a lot of time, alright? But we're gonna work it out. 25 into that 3, 25 into that 4. Alright, so let us calculate now. 3/4 times 32. I'm gonna show the work here. So how many times can 4 go into 32? And that would be 8. So 3 times 8, that's 24. But guys, that's not the answer yet. Alright, let's go. So these represent who are present. They only want what's absent. So to get who is absent, it would be 32 minus 24. So that is equal to what? 8. So 8 boys are absent. And it's good less is absent. Yeah. Alright, so let's move on to 23. It says 3 mixed numbers from the set given below will produce a whole number when added. Oh, this is a very intriguing question. Alright, so it's a 3 are the whole numbers. Let's wait a second. 3 mixed numbers from the set given below will produce a whole number with that. So it's 3 are the numbers. And naturally, I have to go to trial and error for that. I'm thinking it's 1/8 over 12 and 4 over 3. I don't think the half I got drop in. So let me try it. Alright, so 188 and that 9 over 8. Sometimes I have to do trial and error, alright? 2 times that, that's 24. So that's 29 over 12. And we have 4 8s 32 and that 35 over 8. So the LCM would be what? 24. Alright, let's try it. 8 into that 3. 9 3s 27. So now I got to try and error. 12 into that 2. That's what? 58. And 8 into that 3. So that's one of. I just open right because this can be so long. Alright, so let's add them here now and see if 24 can go into it equally. So 5 and 8, that's 13. Let's go again. I think I made that error. 5 and 8, 13 and 7, 20. So that's 2. Carry 0. Alright, boom. 0 and 8, that's 8. No, 0 and 5. 0 and 5 and 7, 12. So that's 2. Carry 1 this time. No, man. No. Guys, I think I make a error. Hold on. Hold on. Hold your rat. It's 105. So alright, so 58 and 105. So that's 0. Carry the 2. So 2 2 is 490. So we have 190. So I think I guessed it the wrong 3. So let me see if it's correct. 190. That couldn't be it. Alright, so you have 1838. I'm not gonna work with them 3 here. I'll leave out the 7th word. Any questions? Try and error, guys. Try and error. There's 4 to the 2. There's 16 possible combinations, you know. No. As I said, 3. 4 3 is 2. No, it wouldn't be that. Alright, let's go. Hopefully this one work out. This is like give it 4 8. Yeah, shit. 4 over 8 and a half. Oh guys, this is so stupid of me. Yeah man, it's this. Alright, because this I gonna give 4 over 8, which is a half. So this I give 5 and a half plus 3 and a half. Oh my word. I don't know why I never see that already. Yeah, because if 4 and 3 8, I will give half. Alright. I think I need to stop at 25. So that's a beat, guys. Alright, the same pattern is followed throughout in the sequence below. What are the two next numbers in the sequence? What the hell is this? Alright, so we started with 1. Eight, 13. So the differences are 5. And so 5, the differences are 3. The differences are 2. The differences are 1. 1, 2, 3. That's not a pattern. Alright, so 1, 2. I'm thinking, see, I wonder if it's 2x minus 1. No. I overthink this already, you know. 2. 2 ones, 2 minus. Oh. Oh, let me get 3. 2 2 is 4 minus 1. 2 3 is 6 minus 1. No, but I'm gonna get 8, so 2 5 10 minus 1, that's a 9, something alright. Yo, how is this? It's supposed to be simple. Remember it, guys, because, yo, obviously, my brain now work. Why me not see this yet? So we start off with 1, end up with 2. So add, which is not odd. So and it's not square minus 1. Yo, what the hell? I think I see I can get them here now, but the 5 and the 8. Alright, so let's say it's 2 8 16. That's 16 minus 3. It's not 2x minus 1. What the hell is this? Alright guys, finally think of figure it out. So 1 plus 2, that's 3. Yeah, so 1 plus 2 give a 3, and then there's a 2 plus 3 give you the next number, which is 5, and then 3 plus 5 give you 8. So 5 and 8 get 13, so it will be 8 plus 13 get the next number. 8 and 3 are 11, so that's 21, and then 21 plus that, 34. Oh Lord, that take me a while to figure out, guys. Sometimes you just have to just breathe easy. Alright? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So let's move on to 25. It says Sammy planted 526 heads of lettuce, Dan planted 98 more, when Sammy had 49 more than Linda. Oh, and 49 and Sammy planted 526 heads of lettuce. Dan planted 98 more than Sammy, and 49 more than Linda. How many did Dan plant? Okay, cool. Alright, so let me just focus on what we're given, which is 526. So we know, so this is Sammy one. Bam. We call him S. Alright, boom. So he planted, now Dan planted 98 more. So to get Dan figure, we just add 94. Guys, always read the questions, ensure that you understand the question before you answer, alright? Even me sometimes, I'm like, yo, what is this? What is this, man? 1, carry 1. So that's 610. So Dan plant 610, right? And how many more than Linda? 49. So it would be 610 minus 49, right? So let's see how many Linda planted. 49. No, hold on there. It says, oh, 49 more, yeah. So we're gonna subtract. 9 from 0, you can't, so guess what? Follow the 1, so that left 0, 1 left. 4 from 60, or 56. So that is 561. That's what Linda planted. Alright, this says calculate the number of heads of lettuce planted all together. Again, we have calculated the numbers, so it will be 561. So we calculate 610, and the original that 526 I was given. So if I get these correct, you would have gotten the entire thing for this question wrong. Alright, so that's 7 to, oh, this was 6, 6 and 1, 8, 7 and 9, 5 and 5, 10, so that's 16. So altogether it's 1,697. We had planted. Alright, let's go. It's a lot for 1 mark, but I understand. Don't have to give half mark here. Alright, so a school received 25 boxes of pencil. Each box contained 36 pencils. The pencils were distributed equally among 9 classes. How many pencils did each class receive? Alright, so guys, we're gonna get this step by step, alright? So first, it says 25 boxes of pencils. Each box contained 36. So let's go. We're gonna find the product. We're gonna multiply. I wanna put the 36 at that. Easier. Yeah. So we need to know the total number of pencils. I think me comfortable and know that. What me I work with. 5, 6, 30. 5, 3 is 15, and that 80. 0, 2, 6, 12. 2 carry 1. 2, 3, 6, and 1, 7. So we have 0, 8, and 2, 10. So we have 900 pencils in all. And it says among 9 classes, how many pencils did each get? So we're going to divide. Oh, it worked out so perfect. So it's 900 the 9 classes equally, so that gives each person get 100 pencil. Alright, so let's go 3 marks for this. 7 and 2 fifth minus 2 and a quarter. Alright, so we have to do it the other way, which is 7 times 5. Let me see. I'm going to show you guys step by step. As usual, 7, 5. I'm going to multiply at the numerator. So 7, 5, 35 plus 2. That's 37 over 5 minus 2 and a quarter, which is 2 fours 8, and that 9 over 4. So we find the LCM, or the lowest common multiple. So I want to bring them to a common denominator. Let's go. So that's 20. 5 into that goes 4 times. So we multiply 4 times 37, which is a whole lot of work, but it's worth 3 marks. So guys, trust me, it's worth it. 4 sevens, 28. 4 3 is 12, and that 14. So we have 148 minus 4 into that 5 times. We'll multiply to get 45. So when we subtract, we're going to get what? 45. So that's 103. So that's 103 divided by 20. How many groups of 20 can get out of that? 5. And the remainder 3 out of 20. Alright, so our final answer would be 5 and 3 over 20. And that would be our answer. Alright, so let's go. Let's move on to this one. Alright, so it says the table below shows the number of marks awarded for each correct answer in section A, B, C, A, B, and C of a test. Okay. Alright, so that's section A, section B, section C. Number of marks for each correct answer. For A, 1 mark, B, 3 marks. Jessica got 16 items correct in section A, 8 items correct in section B. Let's see what else it says. How many items must Jessica get correct in order to get C? Alright, so I've done one similar to that. Alright, let's go. So let's work with the information. 16 items. So that is 16 for section A. Section, it could be like this. I don't know your teacher. 16 by that, so that's 16. That's the first move. 8 items in item in section B, so that's 8 times 3, which works out to 24. Alright, how many you need for this? Let's see, what's the total marks so far? 4 and 6, 10, 0, carry 1, so that's 40 marks. So you need 10 marks, but for each question you are given 5 marks. So it will be 5 times what? Give you 10. And that will be 2. So for section 2, you need 2 correct, right? Alright, Mexico stressing Argentina right now as we speak. Alright, so let's go now. It says now a discount of 15% was given for each, a discount of 15% was given for each cash purchase at a shoe store. How much will Derek pay for a pair of shoes marked $600? So discount is going to reduce the cost. So all we have to do is just find 15% of 16, $600. Alright, so let's do that. So we basically paying 85%. So that's $90. 6 times 15, 6530. Carry 0, 616, and that 90. So it's gonna get a discount of $90. So it will be 600 minus the 90. Oh, good enough, guys. Oh, good. That's our 510. In the diagram below, the area of the shaded triangle is 36 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? What the hell? Whoa, this is tough, man. So, what type of triangle is this? So, in the diagram below, the area of the shaded triangle is 36 centimeters. This is the area of the rectangle. So I'm going with this. So give me enough information there. Alright guys, so guess what? You see if these are the vertices touch on the triangle of the rectangle, vertices, if the three vertices of the triangle touches on the rectangle, it means that whatever the triangle is, it will be half the area of the rectangle. So it will be 36 multiplied by 2. So that's actually 72. And if I look at it, guys, if we should say pull down this to here, so it would be half, right? So that would make it a half. So we're gonna stop here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out part 2. Guys, now check out Argentina Mexico game. 36 minutes down the night. Pick up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will continue to with 30 to something. This is Benito. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.